Oh, like making him laugh.
Hi, my name is Sara Spiesman, and this is my team. And we're going to teach you a little something about the social networking site called Foursquare. Foursquare is a social networking site that enables users to identify their location, which can connect them with friends by posting those locations on other social media sites such as Twitter, Facebook, and many more. This service is a web application and a mobile application available to users with smartphones such as Androids and/or iPhones. The idea is that users can use their mobile devices to interact with their environments and friends. Users can check in to places such as cities, restaurants, malls, airports, movie theaters, and multitudes of other locations from a list of venues that the application can locate with its GPS system. Users are then awarded with points, badges, and sometimes even mayorship of a venue by checking in with a higher frequency than other users. Mayorship can be a temporary status, while badges, on the other hand, will permanently remain on the user's profile. The service also provides different levels of superuser statuses based on how frequently users check in or enter new information to venues. These superusers have the ability to edit venue information, add venue categories, and create or remove certain venues. When one joins Foursquare, the first opportunity a user has is to find friends via Facebook and/or Twitter. There are 5 categories on the navigation bar of the site: Me, History, Badges, Stats, and Friends. And there is a search bar on the top right-hand side which enables a user to search for places, people, and tips quickly and easily. The website is very easy to navigate. For example, it specifically guides you on how to discover tips and manage to unlock badges by following certain pages, similar to liking something on Facebook or following someone on Twitter. The history page is a quick recap of all the places and venues of which a user has checked into, and the stats page displays who a user's top friends are, where the user checks into most frequently, and how close the user is to being crowned mayor. When I first started using Foursquare, the first place I took interest in was the local Starbucks on Marshall Street. First semester, I went for coffee here every day during my break, and each time I went, I checked in on my smartphone. I hoped to eventually be crowned mayor of Starbucks as I visited this venue so often. But this was very hard to accomplish because, as everyone at Syracuse knows, Starbucks is always packed, and so it probably has a very competitive location for Foursquare users. Whatever.
My experience with Foursquare has been really fun and exciting so far. When I first signed up, I immediately invited all my friends via Facebook. I have my Foursquare connected with both my Facebook and Twitter, so my friends and followers can be aware of my whereabouts. I also like being able to see where my friends are at specific times and try to compete with them for badges.
Jordan, what do you think?
Jason. Jordan. Oh, it says Jordan.
Jason.
That was just Jordan. My name is Jason. At first, I thought Foursquare was a little strange because I did not like the concept of people knowing where I was at all times. It really freaked me out, to be honest with you. But then, through this project, I started to use Foursquare and really started to enjoy the whole process and concept of it. I first started liking it when I logged in via my iPhone, as we saw earlier in the video. And I was playing basketball at the gym, and I logged in, and a couple of my friends actually noticed that I was at the gym, so they came and met me, and we had a nice basketball game. And so that really changed my perception of Foursquare, and so now I'm really enjoying it, logging in on various locations, and hopefully I, too, can become the mayor of maybe something cool like Starbucks.
Jason, that would be great.
And here is my other partner in crime.
Hello, my name is Cara. I'm a very competitive person, so naturally, the second I started using Foursquare, I wanted to have the most badges at the largest number of places possible. It was as if it was a game for me, and I was constantly on the run, going to different places and even revisiting places in the same day. As I started seeing results and received badges, I knew I had to turn my friends onto it too. Now we're all addicted, running around like crazy people, all competing against each other. This social network isn't like any other I've ever used before. Rather than checking onto this website and browsing, you're proactively participating in somewhat of this worldwide game. I am newly addicted and don't plan on stopping anytime soon.
Okay, lastly, Amanda. This is the first time I used Foursquare. I found this site to be very easy to navigate, and the first place I searched was the Short Hills Mall in New Jersey. Since I only live 5 minutes away, I am constantly going to the mall and shopping and eating there. If I created a Foursquare account, I wonder if I would ever be able to be the mayor of such a large place. It showed that there was only 7,842 check-ins at the mall, and I think it would be extremely impressive if I was the mayor of such a popular location.
Go, Amanda.
As you can tell, all of us love our experience with Foursquare, and I think that you should join too.
Yeah!